So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit video opacity in Design Wizard. So first thing you have to do is open up the application or go to the website. Go to the left hand side of your screen to where it says Elements, press on Elements right here. Then where it says Videos, press on More. Then scroll this bar if you want to view videos here, or you can go to the search bar right here to search up a video of your choice. But how about for demonstration purposes, we view a video of what appears to be this tractor right here. Just for demonstration, it can be any video you want. It doesn't really matter. We're going to go ahead here and wait for the video to load. And once it does, which is hopefully soon, I'll make it a little bit smaller so that it's easier for you guys to see and it shows up. And then once it is pressed, go to the top here. And where it says flip and animation, right in between there, there's an option that says opacity. Go ahead and press on that. Then now by default, it is at 100% opacity, so it's not transparent whatsoever. But if you drag this bar to the left, it makes the video more and more transparent. So, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can edit video opacity in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.